How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today is going to be a start of a new build that I am building. Me and a buddy of mine, George, he's a longtime friend, over 30 years probably. Uh, we are going to build some cars for a show in March, and it'll be in Clarksville, Arkansas. They put on a show there every year. My son lives in Clarksville, so it ain't that far from his house either. So me and George are going to build some builds. I'm going to build two things to take down there, and George is going to build a couple of things. And so this video will be what I'm going to be building. And another thing, let's see. I think I'm going to do another vintage unboxing of a Johan. Except this time there won't be no surprise giveaway this time. I'll save that for another time. I got plenty more to do that. I just did one recently, so I'll wait a little bit before I do another one. So the video will be sometime during the week, but I'll have a kit here that I'll show you, and I'll have y'all guess the color on it. Okay, and before I even get started, I just want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing, supporting me. Appreciate it. Thanks for supporting everybody in the community. And well, that's all I got to say about that. And let's get started on what I'm going to be building. This is going to be two vehicles, but it's going to count as one thing. I'm not for sure. I think the other thing I'll build is some 12 scale vehicle. I got so many. I got Formula One to Porsches to whatever. I'll figure something else out. But this one right here, I know a lot of people's built this and stuff, but I'm going to build this race team. And these are the two kits I'm building. These are the box tops. I've already got them open over here. I bought a whole bunch of these kits, and so I'm going to build them all different ways. But shoot, I think I got like 6 of these, 5 of these. I bought them up when I got them, but so I'm starting these two, like I said. And then the thing about this kit right here, everybody builds this version right here. Well, a lot of y'all probably don't know, but there was a couple of versions of this. There was an all-white car, and then there was the car that the whole side here was red, and just the top was white. And I think this one here had the chrome bumpers on it, to where the version I'm going to build is the red car with the white top. The bumpers were white. The grill was like a aluminum color, which I think this grill was black in this one right here, guys. I know it's getting a glare on it from this light, but and then I know for a fact, you know, this truck's not correct for what he had. This truck's a 72, which I am shaving the chrome off of it right here, and I'm going to put a 6970 grill in it. But this part is totally wrong, but I don't care. I could scratch build and do the right, but I just want to have fun with it. Those kits are out, and this is what I want to do. I'm not going to get too far, you know, anal about it. You know, I'm not going to be a rivet counter, as they say, or whatever. I'm going to build that truck to what it would resemble is a good word. It'll be red with the white top, and the bed would be red. And actually, you know, he had a couple of those trucks too. He also had a white truck with the white bed. I mean, there's so many different ways, but that ramp bed is not correct, but I don't care. I'm going to build it anyway. And I'll turn this thing around here in a second and show you. I'm just in mock-up stages right now, and I'll turn this around and show you what I've gotten going on. Well, I know everything's in white here, and it's a little harder to see, but here she is mocked up. And I'll start disassembling her and showing you what I've gotten done so far. But this is what she's somewhat going to look like. You can see I've already got all the chrome stripped off this one right here. The wheels, the bumpers, the grill, and everything. The hood. You get three different two hoods, and like the one hood comes with here's the other hood right here. It already comes with a hood scoop on it. Then you get two hood scoop options, this one and another one, and that's the hood scoop option I'm going with, which I'll show you here in a second. But got some putty on this right here because I shaved this chrome off, and I got a little deep right here, so I'll still have to shave that. My bumper just fell off. Yeah, I know my lighting's a little bright. Let's see if I can darken this lighting up or something, because it's a little bit bright. Let's see. Is that too much? Well, it's too red. About right there, maybe. Alright, guys. So I'll have to shave there, sand that. You can see in here I've got the engine mocked up. But yeah, I shaved off the chrome right here. My buddy George, he has the correct grill that I'd be using, 6970 model grill. And once I get over to his house here in a week or so, I'll get that grill. That way I can have it on there. But that, the cab will almost be correct. Will probably be pretty much correct. This right here, this ramp bed's totally wrong, because his ramp bed come down and just flattened out right here like this. Which is fine. I mean, I probably could have done it, and it was a single axle. It was a dually single axle underneath there instead, like this configuration right here. But I really don't want to get into all that. I really don't care. I'm just building this for the fun of it. I'm building the version I want to build. Like I said, the car is going to be all red on the side. The hood, top, and trunk will be all white. It has the white bumpers on it. Had the aluminum wheels. The grill will be aluminum, and I'll show you what I've done to that grill and stuff here in just a second. Let me pop this off here and show you guys on this stinking bed here. Alright, guys, you can see it's got opening doors right here. Alright. Well, on this side right here, it comes with the floor and the side or whatever. The way you open it up, it's a compartment in there. Well, this stinking side right here just come with the side. It didn't come with the floor or nothing in it, which was kind of stupid. But they get a little stupid sometimes. So I scratch built which I ain't done with it, but I've scratch built the floor and everything to it. So when you open that door up, it's gonna have a bottom in it and sides and stuff. That way you just open it up and it just falls out. I mean, just kind of crazy to me. But and then another thing on this bed, I know it's this being the Pro Street, this is awful wide right here, and the car don't actually fit on there perfect. So I'm gonna have to take from about right here and right here, and I'm gonna have to shave this part down on each side. That way the back wheels tires will fit on there better. The front ones are alright, it's just the back ones. So I'm going to have to modify that. But that's the only modifications I'm going to do to that. And then the truck, as you can see here, let me get my hand out of the way. You can see I got rid of the chrome right there. Probably still needs a little bit of sanding to do to it. But there's that. Turn this over. You can see how it has a dual axle set up. Totally not correct, but I'm building it anyway. I don't want to get too crazy about it. There's been a lot of people build these, and they do a lot better job than I do, and I'm not worried about it, that is what it is. I'm going to move this one out of the way, and then we're going to set the Vega up here, and I'm going to show you what I've done to the Vega. Oh, and here's the roll cage for inside the Vega. I went ahead and mocked it up. I got it mocked up. I got the engine block. Started gluing it together. Really not gotten far on that. But on the Vega, you can see I'm trying to get the stance. Of course, the wheels I have to go in a little bit more. They're just mocked up right there. Got those, what are those, Drag 500 Firestone tires. There's the back. I got the bumper here somewhere. I put it somewhere. You can put that bumper in there. There we go. Bumper. But she's going to be sweet. I love that hood scoop. That's the style hood scoop. Of course, there are several style hood scoops. That's why you get several different styles that they run. And then on this grill, you can see right there where I've sanded through the back of the grill, because it was all one solid. I still got to clean up a little bit more behind it, but so you're going to be able to see through the grill. And then on the car, you look right here, see how the mouth is open? That was solid too. I had to cut that whole piece out. That way now, when you have this on here, you're going to be able to see through and see through to the radiator support like you would be able on a real car. But with that being said, that's what I've gotten done. I've stripped a lot of stuff, done a lot of things. It's just in mock up. So that is what it is. Like I said, that's what I'm going to be building. And that's what's on the bench right now. So with that being said, like I told you guys, I want y'all to do me a favor. This is a sealed kit. Johan 1962 Dodge Dart. I want y'all to guess what color that is and leave it in the comments. It'll be fun to see what color it's going to be once I actually open it. Just like the other one I did a surprise giveaway. This time I'm not going to, but I will do another surprise giveaway like that soon, but it won't be on this one. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!